Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another lip swatching video. I know I love doing these videos and I know you guys love them too. So today we are going to be doing the L'Oreal Infallible matte lip crayons that come in 18 beautiful shades. All these shades are right up my alley. I love all these colors so much. And right here, I have the L'Oreal website open in front of me, so I'm just going to read the little description on their website. So they say it is a full coverage, lasting wear matte color in just one swipe. Saturated matte color available in 18 shades from bold to everyday. Lips that last. Introducing Infallible Matte Lip Crayon, our first matte lip crayon with lasting wear and saturated color. And then it just goes on to saying how it just goes on in one swipe and it's full coverage on the go and it doesn't smudge or feather and it lasts all day and it's enhanced with a sweet caramel aroma. Our Infallible matte lip crayon is available in 18 matte shades for all skin tones. And I don't know why I keep doing this. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about the smell first. These smell so amazing. Also, if you guys haven't seen my last video, I will list it in the description box. I did a huge What's New at the Drugstore 2020 and I was like going crazy in that video over the smell of these guys. They smell so good. Do you guys remember that macaroon collection they did? I swear these smell exactly like that. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. I am such a sucker for good smelling things, so I love these. The color I have on my lips right now is Chocolate Delight because this is the last color I swatched because I already did the lip swatching portion, girl. So I did open a couple in my last video and I did wear Caramel Blondie, which is like my #1 favorite. I love all the shades, but if I had to pick one, it is definitely Caramel Blondie. So I was wearing that the other day and these are such a super comfortable matte. It's not like some liquid lipsticks where I go in. Not that this is a liquid lipstick, but just for the matte formula, they are a super comfortable matte and they don't dry out my lips and they come off really easy when you go to take your makeup off with a makeup remover, and they don't leave my lips crusty, but they do last all day until you do go in with that makeup remover to wipe them out. They apply so smooth and creamy. It's almost like applying chapstick to your lips, and they are definitely full coverage, but I would say most of them are full coverage, but there are the couple that are not as full coverage, which is totally fine, but just a little, I don't know, side note for you guys. But you can definitely go in and layer those few and make it work. In the swatches, I will definitely mention which ones were the ones that were not as pigmented as the other ones, which ones were a little more sheer. So yeah, you guys, as far as the feathering goes, they do not feather on the lips because I have noticed lately when I'm lazy to apply lip pencil, when I go in with certain liquid lipsticks or just any lipsticks, they will feather into my lips and that's kind of been annoying, which I mean, it's kind of my fault because I didn't go in with a lip pencil, but then at the same time, I feel like it's 2020. Come on, you guys. We should be making lipstick that doesn't feather, but these do not feather, and I didn't go in with a lip pencil with these little guys, which I love. They apply super smooth. They don't go on patchy, and they are amazing. They glide on the lips like butter. I am obsessed. Oh, and one big thing for me was they do not stain your lips, because usually when I do lip swatching videos, by the end of the video, when I'm applying that last lipstick, my lips are so just like red, pink, orange, like whatever shades I'm swatching. With this collection, it's mostly nudes and reds and plummy tones. So I thought my lips would be like a hot mess by the end of this, but when I went in with that last shade to apply it, my lips still looked like their natural color. I had a hard time getting that out. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every single week. And I will list, like I said, my previous video down in the description box, as well as all the other lip swatching videos that I have. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.